Today my new Trusmt DSLR cage arrived in post, so let's see what's inside. So I just unboxed this new Trusmt Ultimate DSLR cage, and this thing feels absolutely amazing. It's really solid and very heavy, which is actually a good thing. It's really well designed with Canon 5D and 7D cameras in mind. It has battery access at the bottom, openings on the sides. My cage also came with this nice little extension plate for my rods, and also this HDMI clamp, which is something very new. I haven't seen anything like this on any cage or rig. What this thing does, it clamps the HDMI cable and makes sure that it stays in place. This will definitely please a lot of people who are frustrated with HDMI cables at the moment, and I can see this being used on a lot of new cameras like Sony FS100 and not just on DSLRs like 5D.